A massive burst pipe in Crystal Palace has brought infrastructure maintenance challenges to the forefront, as reported by London News. This incident has not only disrupted daily life, but also highlighted the pressing need for improved maintenance of aging water systems. The burst pipe, located on a busy street, unleashed torrents of water, creating hazardous conditions for both vehicles and pedestrians. Local authorities responded swiftly, deploying emergency services to manage the flooding and ensure public safety. Firefighters worked diligently to pump out the water, while engineers assessed the damage. Residents were awakened by the sound of rushing water and witnessed their streets transformed into rivers. Many expressed frustration over the inconvenience, as the flooding made accessing homes and local businesses nearly impossible. Shops faced temporary closures, impacting small business owners and the local economy. London News reported significant disruptions to public transport due to the burst pipe. Buses were rerouted, and delays on nearby train lines caused chaos for commuters. This incident underscores the challenges posed by aging infrastructure in London, raising concerns about the city's ability to handle emergencies effectively. Local officials urged residents to stay indoors and avoid affected areas, emphasizing safety during cleanup efforts. The community came together, with neighbors assisting each other in navigating the flooded streets, showcasing resilience amid adversity. Investigations are underway to determine the cause of the pipe failure. Experts suggest that aging infrastructure, increased pressure, and recent weather conditions may have played a role. This incident serves as a wake-up call for city planners and maintenance teams to prioritize infrastructure upkeep. The local council has committed to addressing the issue promptly, with plans to repair the damaged pipe and evaluate the overall condition of the water supply system in Crystal Palace. They recognize that proactive maintenance is essential to prevent similar incidents in the future, ensuring reliable infrastructure for the community. As cleanup efforts continue, residents are encouraged to report any further water supply issues or flooding. The local council aims to restore normalcy quickly, demonstrating their commitment to maintaining the infrastructure that supports Crystal Palace. In conclusion, the massive burst pipe in Crystal Palace has illuminated the challenges of infrastructure maintenance in London. With ongoing investigations and repair plans in place, the community remains hopeful for a swift resolution. For more updates on London News, subscribe and ring the bell. London News will keep the public informed as developments unfold, ensuring residents stay updated on the situation and the city's efforts to enhance infrastructure resilience. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more London News.